Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make character spacing tight in PowerPoint to loose. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make character spacing tight in PowerPoint to loose. At first, click inside the text box. Now I am select the all text, click and drag on our mouse. Otherwise, you can using the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select all. Then we go to the home menu and click the character spacing option. And we can see here the spacing chosen the loose option. Now we want to make the loose to tight, select this tight option. And we can see we make character spacing tight to loose very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.